Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram verification code not received. So just follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. I'm just going to let you know that the problem is just about the permissions of the app. So in my case, I'll go here and open settings, as you can see over here. And then I'll scroll down until I can find apps, and then I'll click on apps from here. And now I'm going to search for Telegram app, or I can click on the search button over here and search for Telegram. And I click on it. And just scroll down a little bit and go to storage over here, and then click on clear cache and clear data. And click on clear cache over here and just click on this option. And now go back once again and go back here, and then go a little bit up to notifications and make sure that's allowed, and then go back and choose permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are allowed, including location, microphone, music, and so on and so forth. After allow the permissions, you can receive the verification code. At the end, that was all in today's video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.